Good evening, guys. Just going live for a bit to feature some items in my yellow bag. Please check it out. And today's item, no,
Okay, good.
I'm green screen.
I'm just gonna go. Okay.
Excuse me. So tonight's featured product is this. It's not charged though. This is a heater brush. Ayan. So pang straighten siya ng hair. Ayan. So I'm just featuring it now for a bit because I got this as a free sample. Ayan, baka sabihin hindi ko pinakita. Yeah, it has a cap. You can carry it around. Another item on my yellow bag is this. It's like an iPod. Nahulog pa yung takip. Good evening, guys. Sandali lang to ha. Sandali lang tong live na to. I just needed to feature the free sample that I got today. Yan. But if you guys have questions, yan, magtanong na kayo hanggat nandito ako. Ayan. So, today's featured item is this. Ayan. Ang ganda nito, guys. Yung tunog niya, halos similar sa tunay na AirPods. Similar, but you know, maganda yung ano niya. Yan ang cute pa ng case. Meron siyang kasamang gel case. Ayan. So, I don't really do much selling videos, but I got a free sample and I wanted to show it to you guys. So, this will be my featured product of the week. Good afternoon, Juivan. Ayan. So, bihira ako maglagay ng yellow bag, guys. So, please check it out. Okay. I actually got this as a free sample, but I'm just featuring it now. Because I got this free sample. Hindi siya actually na-charge. Hindi ko siya na-charge, so hindi ko siya ma-demo. Pero it's supposed to heat up. It's a comb. Umiinit siya. Tapos pag sinuklay mo, syempre, it will straighten your hair. Diba? Yeah. So, thank you very much for my free sample. Ayan. If you want to check it out, it's in my yellow bag. But what I really want to feature is this. Ayan. Ma'am, hingi po ako ng tulong na restrict po ang inbox ng TikTok ko. Why? What did you do? Ano ang iyong violation?
How do I get him to do that? Is he working on our guidance system or not? Dr. Cooper, contact us with an idea on how to modify your technology into communication.
Ayan. So, I featured some of the samples that I received this week. Ayan, please check out my yellow bag. But so far, of all the things that I received, this is my favorite. Actually, hindi na sa akin to na arbor na to ng daughter ko kasi pag nalobat daw yung kanyang isang wireless earphones, ito daw yung gagamitin niya. Kasi maganda din daw ang tunog. My daughter really likes music. Yan, so she said maganda daw talaga ang tunog nito. So, hindi ko na nga nagamit kasi na arbor na, di ba? Yan. Good evening, Chan. Kasi may ka-message po ako tapos nang joke po ako ng so sinabi mo parang minor ka. Ay, maano ka talaga. Pagkaka-violation ka talaga. Be careful what you say. Kasi alam mo naman tayo mga Pinoy, mukha tayong mga bagets. Ayan. So, feature ko lang tong item na to tonight. If you want your own AirPod na talagang maganda ang quality. Yan. Ano po gawin mo, ma'am? Kung violation yan, kung restriction yan, you have to wait for the restriction to be lifted. Or you can email TikTok. Makipag-live chat ka kay TikTok.
You're saying it sounds nice, but the way you're saying
By the way guys, isa sa mga feature ko yung aking Evil Eye bracelet. Ayan. This one.
What do you want to watch?
Sabi nila, kung feeling mo merong galit sa'yo or nagka-curse sa'yo, you should have these. Karamihan ng mga artista may ganito. Kasi nga, di ba, when you are succeeding, ayan, marami daw may inggit, magagalit, secretly. So, the evil eye daw will protect you.
Hey, we talked to Colonel Williams. He told us everything.
Ayan. But of all the things that I received this week, ayan, ito ang pinakagusto ko. Ang cute, oh.
Sheldon went to the
It's wireless earphones.
I did nothing of the sort.
Oh, you can charge it from here. Rechargeable siya. And the sound is really, really good. Oh, may kasama pa siyang gel case na cute.
Based
Oh,
on our guidance system.
di ba?
And sonar
Good evening.
You don't see them hanging
Ayan,
down
so, sandali lang yung live ko today. So, samantalahin nyo na. I'm going live for at least 10 to 15 minutes just to feature my free samples. Kasi, yung iba, hindi ko siya gagawa ng video. So, I just feature it sa live to thank the people who sent me this. Ayan. Mama, ano po ibig sabihin ng suggested promotion? Suggested promotion, TikTok is inviting you to promote your video.
Edison? Getting in front of a lady.
Oh no, I am Mayon. Ma'am, 180 days na po probation period.
Classic Edison movie.
Probation period for what? Kung sobrang haba, makipag-live chat ka kay TikTok.
I honestly don't know.
You're welcome. Yan, sa mga hindi pa nakagawa ng video using my song, relax ka lang, gumawa na kayo. Gandahan nyo para ma-feature ko kayo. This week, I'm gonna feature another 5 people.
Do yours.
Yan.
No, my mother's. Go make friends, Sheldon.
Yes, may bagong update na naman si community guidelines. So, paki-check na lang. Paki-agapan. Kung merong mga kakaiba. Yan.
If I called you the name of a neuroscientist you didn't like.
Ayan. Sorry sa mga gustong umakyat. Ang pwede lang umakyat po sa aking live every time ay ang aking mga subscribers. So, kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe na po kayo. Nung nag-unlink po ako, wala namang ganyan na nakalagay.
Do you think I'm like Edison?
Yun lang. Yun nga yung mga risk ng pag nag-unlink kayo. So, kung hindi pa naman
I think you're upset because
kayo, kung hindi kayo sure kung may violation kayo o wala, wag na muna kayo mag-unlink. Hanggang July pa naman ang submission ng ano. So, baka may mga pagbabago pang mangyari.
It's always been my fatal flaw.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Simply Georgina. Ayan. So, tonight's selling live stream is for these wireless earphones. Ayan. So, kung wala pa po kayong earphones, please check it out. Ayan. If you want to support mommy, bili po kayo sa akin ito. Hindi ako mahilig talaga magtinda. Mga ganito live stream, look at my product, ganyan. Pero once in a while, you receive really, really good freebies and I want to feature them on my live. Ayan. Sa mga gustong sumuport kay Mami, please check out my TikTok shop. Ayan. At mga, usually I feature I product flex every day. Isa sa mga freebies na natatanggap ko, i-flex ko sa aking profile. Sinasandwich ko eh. Content, selling video, content. Yan. Para kahit pa paano may monetization naman si Mami. Kasi libre po yung mga tutorials na ginagawa ko dito. Hindi naman po na to-convert sa pera ang followers, di ba? So, the only way for me to sustain what I'm doing here is through my TikTok shop, through my TikTok series, and of course, through gifts sa live stream. Eh, bihira pa ako mag-live stream, di ba? So, please check out my yellow bag right now. I am featuring, this is my featured product of tonight. Ayan. Ang ating wireless earphones. Good evening, guys. And of course, if you have questions, itanong nyo na ngayon. Sandali lang po itong live ko. I will be going live for at least 10 to 15 minutes only. Ayan. Please check out. Thank you po sa mga sumisilip sa aking shop. Please check out my yellow bag. Ayan. Our featured product for tonight is our wireless earphones. Ang cute, oh. Meron na siyang kasamang gel case. Ano? Hindi ko matanggal yung case sa ibaba. It's rechargeable. Meron siyang keychain. Ayan, may iba-iba po itong design. Ayan. And ang ganda ng tunog and it lasts very long. O, diba?
You're right. We don't need him. We can do this all on our own. Do you think you can do the math? No.
Ayan. And of course, sa mga nagtatanong tungkol sa kung paano mag-close ng kanilang seller shop, kung paano mag-register sa BIR, please check out my latest videos. Ayan, may mga ginawa po akong tutorial para tulungan yung mga seller tsaka yung mga affiliate na nag-register sa seller shop na gustong mag-close ng kanilang seller shop at mag-unlink. Nandun din po yung aking tutorials. Ayan.
Yes. Did she get a laugh at a meeting yesterday by calling you pregnant dead? Big one.
And of course, if you want to learn more from Mami Sheila, please check out my TikTok series. Ayan, click series. Go to my profile and click series. Sa mga gusto namang mag-join sa aking live, you can also subscribe. At meron po tayong webinar this coming week, about the algorithm. Ayan, we will be talking about the TikTok algorithm. How to reset your algorithm. Yan. Yun po ang i-discuss natin. So, kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na kayo para pwede kayong magtanong. Pwede kayong mag-guest sa aking webinar this week. Ayan. At syempre, I also accept one-on-one tutorial. So, kung gusto nyo makipag one-on-one sa akin, may bayad po yun, pero it's pay what you can. Kung ano yung kaya nyo ibayad, yun po ang, kasi I'm collecting funds kasi bala kong mag-produce ng show para po sa mahal na araw next year. So, Jesus na buhay. Gusto ko pong i-revive yun. So, every time I do a tutorial or live coaching, I save up what I earn for that production. Yan. Kasi sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ako po ay nagdidirect din po ng mga stage play at nagpo-produce ng mga play. Ayan. And one of the plays na dati namin ginagawa ng libre for the community is Jesus na Buhay. May sinakulo po kami. Kaya lang natigil po nung after nung nawala yung dad ko, tapos nagka-pandemic. So gusto ko sana siyang i-revive next year. And syempre, it costs a lot of money to produce a show. Yan. So, hopefully, you guys could help me put together. At sa mga gusto mag-artista na nasa Bacoor, ayan, sa mga mahilig mag-acting na taga Cavite, yan, message niyo po ako. Kasi I'm starting a new theater group dito sa Cavite. So, nag-open po ako ng auditions ngayon for new scholars. Daming ginagawa. Ayan, but tonight, I'm featuring this item. Ayan. Kung wala pa kayong wireless earphones, this one is very good. I have other items in my yellow bag, but this is my featured item tonight. Ayan. So, kung wala ng katanungan, ayan. Last 2 minutes, guys. Kung gusto nyo mag-taralets na kayo. Make friends with the people here.
Sorry things worked out like that.
Because I'm in pain or because you don't have a spy anymore?
But just leave it.
Hulog. Ayan, pasensya na medyo masama ang pakiramdam ni Mami ngayon. It's that time of the month. Pero, thank you so much sa mga sumusuporta sa aking mga posts. I thank you, Agnes. Agnes.tiktok. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa mga papadala ng gifts. Maraming salamat sa mga bumibili sa aking TikTok shop. At syempre, maraming salamat sa mga gumamit ng aking song na Relax Ka Lang. Sa mga hindi pa gumawa na kayo, pipili na ako ng isang ka-one-on-one. Ayan, kung gusto nyo po ipacheck ang inyong profile, gumawa kayo ng video about Relax Ka Lang. Ayan, gamit ang aking music, okay? Pag ginamit nyo yung song ko na Relax Ka Lang, I will repost your video. I will like it, I will repost it. At pag napili, the top 5, i-feature ko sila sa aking profile. Ayan, tulungan po tayo. Help me promote my song, Relax Ka Lang, and I will help promote your TikTok. Ayan. And sa mga wala pang wireless earphones, ito ang cute Check out my yellow bag.
More like the guy who didn't invent the electric car and bless like the guy who didn't invent the light bulb.
Ayan. So, it's been 15 minutes, guys. Kung wala na pong mga questions, I will be back tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning. Kita-kits tayo para sa huntahan natin.
He wasn't insane.
Paano po kaya gagawin pag rejected po ang TikTok Shop Creator Tools na nag-unlink po sa Seller Center? LGC, kung kayo ay hindi approved, you can do a live chat sa help center ng TikTok. Okay, go to your creators tools, and the settings and privacy, then go to report a problem. Then let them know kung ano yung problema. Uncle Shop, good evening. LGC Shop, 1K followers naman po. Unoriginal content daw po. LGC, you have to reset your algorithm. Okay, how do you reset your algorithm? Free up space, refresh your FYP, go private, i-private mo yung TikTok mo for 24 hours. After 24 hours, go public, pero wag ka muna magpo-post. Mag-interact ka muna sa FYP. After 24 hours, mag-post ka. After mo mag-post, iwanan mo yung profile mo, pumunta ka sa FYP, mag-engage ka ulit. After mo mag-engage, mag-live ka for at least 10 minutes. Pag nag-engage kayo, only watch videos na similar sa niche mo. Huwag kayong manonood ng kung ano-ano lang. Yung pareho ng niche nyo, okay? After you reset. Importante yun. Okay, gets mo ba? Free up space, refresh your FYP, go private for 24 hours. After 24 hours, mag-public ka uli. Okay, mag-public ka uli. Tapos, mag-interact ka muna sa FYP. After 24 hours, mag-post ka. After mo mag-post, iwan mo yung account mo for 1 hour. Mag-interact ka ulit sa FYP. And then go live. Ma'am, meron na po akong entry sa Relax Ka Lang song. Sige. I will check it out. Uncle Shop. Paano po makipag-live chat kay TikTok, madam? Go to settings and privacy. Go to report the problem. After report the problem, may live chat doon. Yan. Okay guys, I have to go, but I will be back tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. So see you again sa aking live. Ayan, please check out my yellow bag ngayon sa mga hindi pa napag-check out. Ayan, ilagay nyo muna sa inyong shopping cart. My Style, please check out sa mga gustong mag-close ng kanilang seller shop. Go to my profile, may video ako doon. Hanapin nyo na lang yung video about how to close my seller shop. Okay? Mahirap i-explain dito pag wala yung visual aids. Okay? Go to my profile, nandoon yung video how to close your shop. Okay, so thank you very much sa mga nagsibili ng aking mga items tonight. See you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Bye!